So on the back of every unit we have a 130mm minimum scribe panel. When we say 130mm, that's generally speaking to the back of the backstay, leaving the backstay in. We've got slightly more at the top with the curve of the van, but 130mm is our sort of given area that can be cut off to suit the van. This one's showing a wheel arch unit, so the wheel arch box will be cut out here, which leaves us with the front, which leaves us with that as ideal storage for your silicone and bits and pieces like that. This is showing a set that we have already scribed. The first two units are standard, facing out the side door. The last three consist of one standard unit and two wheel arch units. You can see the contour of the move on to the most important sizes you will require. Install length, from the most protruding part on the bulkhead to the furthest part on the van, usually with inside the ply lining as shown here. And finally, install height, up to usually where the ply lining finishes, say around 1200, 1300 for a standard height van, and the final height is where the roof beam is, so this can allow for level or rail box to maximise height installation. And it's the same for the left hand side. You'll go from the inside of the back doors to the sliding door. You can go over the sliding door partly if you require more storage.